super proud of being a Nyairo. I'm super proud of what my dad did to us, really making us who we are today. And he always told us as children. I remember one point coming to him, I think I was 10, and he would make me sit down and write. He always loved us to write a lot. And he said, no, just sit down and write down. Don't think, imagine there's no limitations in the world, and you should never put limits for yourself. Tell me, what would you like to be? And I wrote down that I want to be the greatest scientist. I didn't know what that meant, really, at that point. But I love science. They said, and they would say, okay, what else? And I said, I want to be a diplomat was my second option. So that was the first sit down. So we explored what that meant. I said, I want to solve the world's problems. And while I've managed to do that, now in where I live in Canada, I definitely do feel that I want to come back. I did become a scientist, by the way. I want to come back home and do something, do a little bit more in remembrance of Dad.
He's going to meet the Father, and he would like us to celebrate his life versus mourn his death. He was that kind of guy. That's what I've been told. But I do know that he was a pioneer for this neighborhood. He set an example for others to follow. Other fathers should step in his footsteps, make way for their children, plant those seeds. The seeds, that's the key to breaking the cycle of poverty. And that's what he believed in. And I'm glad the family invited me here. This is my first time in Africa, and I love it. I learned how to drive on the right-hand side. I love it, and I'm looking forward to coming back.
Dad, thank you for being there all the time and making sure that we were able to go to school. Dad, when I look at who I am today, it's because of you, Lord. Thank you. You were a great visionary. I'll miss you. I love you, and I will exemplify your character that you used to display to us. I love you, and God bless you, and rest in peace, Daddy.
He was a great father. He was not only a great father for his own children, but he was also a father to those that were not his own. He always had a word of wisdom for each and every child, each and every youth. For that, we call him a great father. And for this we say, Mbiyamano Sokoro. He was also a personal motivational coach. He always said, Mtoto, you have to have a burning desire. And he would always say that, Airora, a burning desire to succeed. So to the youth that are here in Gorwa and further from here, Tuara a burning desire. Onye message nera sokoro ya itata ite momanye na intuaga tubundise message yeyu no go tuara a burning desire to succeed. Please be the movers and shakers of Notonu and Gorwa, but expand that outside of here. Have clear goals for your life. Sokoro gari go totebia timo basa koba buna chimboli tikono go tara obyo ali hoteli. Youth, please have very clear goals. In that coffin indeed lays a great man. He was also our hero. He showed courage, clear communication, and he always was strong, told us to be strong. He also showed clear communication skills. My grandfather, you would always know what nere. Ochicho nyombali na wari kubolia ngaki ayebono wachire gotokwani taibobe. Lakini sababu wachira nereli. He always wanted abantu bamanye esababu bagokolege into. Abantu abande bari kumuranga n'umubolenge lakini ata yetu komanya engenjo yebintu eta ibobe wachire lakini totebye sababu wachire onye koganeti ogokonya na bogokonya ekari kora abantu baragaye batari batabwati engenjo se purpose igari ko batebinga kijana mtoto amuka boka abijana mokole bintu takorara takoba muna chimboli hoteli chiko na woncho banabusa. Sokoro, your legacy will be carried on. As your grandchildren and as your children, we've charged ourselves to ensure that it does. So Koreaito,
And he has asked that my daughter, Gina, who's standing by me, read Psalm 23 in French. After she has read that, I will probably take a minute or two to explain the importance of that particular Bible verse, and there'll be a call for action. The call for action is for all of us, but it is also not for all of us. Socorro was a person who basically, if you understood him, you understood him. But for those who did not get what he was trying to say, you basically missed the boat. So anyway, I'll ask my daughter to read Psalm 23, and then I'll make the call to action.
Psaume de David. Le Seigneur est mon berger, je ne manque de rien. Il me fait reposer dans des chambres d'herbes vertes. Il me conduit au calme près de l'eau. Il me rend de force. Il me guide sur le bon chemin pour montrer sa gloire. Même si je traverse la sombre vallée de la mort, je n'ai peur de rien, Seigneur, car tu es avec moi. Ton bâton de berger est près de moi. Il me rassure. Tu m'offres un bon repas sous les yeux de mes ennemis. Tu verses sur ma tête de l'huile parfumée. Tu me donnes à boire en abondance. Oui, tous les jours de ma vie, ton amour m'accompagne et je suis heureux. Je reviendrai pour toujours dans la maison du Seigneur.
All right, so essentially what my daughter was reading was Psalm 23. So my Socorro, as you all know, he basically liked students that worked hard and that were very smart. So I'm assuming that everyone here is very smart, they've been going to church, and that they do know the contents of Psalm 23. So in terms of the call of action, and in reference to this particular text of the Bible, I would like to talk about the book of Joshua. In the book of Joshua, it says, when Joshua was when he had finished the mission that God had given him, he basically had a covenant with the children of God. And he asked them, who do you want to serve? Do you want to serve the gods of the Egypt, where you have come from, or the God who has delivered you? But he made a call for himself and his family, and he said, as for me and my family, we shall serve the Lord. Towards the end of his life, Socorro basically said, if you are a child of a Nyairo, if you bear the name Nyairo, my question then goes to the family, starting with my cousins. Are we going to stand with Socorro and say, as for me and my family, we shall serve the Lord? If you say yes, stand up. The same call goes to my uncles and to my aunties. If you say with Socorro, as for me and my Lord and my family, we shall serve the Lord, please stand up. All my uncles from both sides of the family, as for me and my Lord, we shall serve the Lord. And to the entire Omwena clan, the question also is raised to you. Will you answer and stand with us? That for all of us, we shall, as for us and our families, we shall serve the Lord. If your answer is yes, please stand up. Okay.
He liked to travel to other countries so he could see new things, so he could read about them. He wanted his grandchildren to be very smart and educated like he was. And the first question he would ask you is, how are you doing in school? He was also a headmaster in high school in Kisi, Kenya. And in 2017, he came to Minnesota, and when he wanted something, he would say, my namesake, come here or bring me something. I love you very much. Rest in peace.
Socorro used to tell me, young lady, come speak French with me. I, coming from Canada, have learned how to speak French from a young age, and we used to always talk together. He always used to tell me, languages are what make you in the world. And so I took this to heart and learned languages, just like my grandpa. I'm now going to read a poem in French, which basically the message is, if you love me, don't cry when I'm gone because I'm in the hands of the Lord. Si tu m'aimes, ne pleurez pas si tu m'aimes. Si tu pouvais d'ici entendre les chants des anges et me voir au milieu d'eux. Si tu pouvais voir se dérouler sous ses yeux les horizons des champs éternels, les nouveaux sentiers où je marche. Si, dans l'instant, tu peux contempler comme moi la beauté devant laquelle toutes les beautés plaisantes. Quoi, si tu m'as vu, tu m'as aimé dans le pays des ombres et tu ne pouvais pas ni me revoir, ni m'aimer dans le pays d'immutable réalité. Crois-moi, quand la mort viendra briser les liens comme elle brisait ceux qui m'enchaînaient, et comme jour Dieu qu'on aime, et il a fixé ton âme viendra dans le ciel, où il a précédé la mienne. Ce jour-là, tu me reverras. Tu retrouveras mon affection épurée. Adieu, tu contendras dans une vie heureuse, infidèle aux souvenirs. Et aux vraies joies de mon autre vie, je sois devenu moins aimant. Tu me reverras donc, transfiguré dans l'exaste de bonheur, non plus d'être la mort, mais avançant d'un instant avec toi dans les sens éternels nouveaux de la lumière, ce qu'il a vu. Essuie tes larmes et ne pleurez plus si tu m'aimes.
Biamono isugo chabotoreli. Biamono rekora mwere chingaki uikaga igalero. E family yetu eko binga biamono nande biamono. E ya toro kinga maene muanjito Omwaka Nyairo na ndi mwa musigete ama eno Omwaka Nyairo ntata na ndi lakini yabanta kunite na bangi asingo takirase abantu baonte binga omwaka na tusometi abana ma agati kwasomige French igo aki amaskania manene isogocha igega lero obwanja ni mwatoroki nobo nene obwanja ni mwatoroki gocha gaiga lero nobo nene sana tintatigura jinse jinyinge gokwana intatote banga biamono sana isobo choli buli bwaerete abasani mbwategana abange chikura ni mwangete ni chinyinge nonye mwete matuchi nyinge mono lakini nanje mwangete chiane
twaganyire chinga kigete chaire nkeya 2 months lakini gokwana sa menge iga ya tebete iga a rolling stone iga that's no moss if you maybe you don't want to that stand iga wana toma itimanga mange mwana mitana kwana na ki mo baba na tali chimbo tawara ameti onde lakini rende na tetebeti tobwa tichimba ruchiaye unoyo minto choice aiko gokwana no mwana minto doro chokwanire amangi ngokwana wale yoyo minto Fred akwana atabukie lakini kombe nande tu wanchane asamanga na amangi biyo.
Thank you so much Alfred Gesimba nero momuromo nene na gichawa nero momuromo nene bono I think samali yao ekora mangana family ya Nyairo
abantu bamitona bakwanira mbiyamole mwezi yonta keteko yali bageri go tebanga biyamono asa abantu bonse bo arule chingongo ao asegusi na Kenya na bali barule other places of the world in the United States of America, Finland and France biyamono asogoika asogo tegotobwate sioma ligo Omogaka tata amangana amanga kwanirwe ninja Alfred Gesimba mu muro manene ngase gokwana omoga no tata anda akwande paka omwali wo mwaka ngase gokolikanya ne bitabo bikolikwa igonda alike binge mono kubwatakana no buyabugaya lakini asengenjo yechinsa igonta gete koira libageriga intebenga ngitoira nelio manene Nyasaye mbiya mono ase okomoa obugimba mwete ikiagero Omogaka amenya paka akabe 89 years nange 90 years wani no mali omuntu akomenya paka 70 lakini yende yakoba mune bonus igoto kwena Nyasaye nga mbiya mono asayo Omogaka muna abo korara igarara buone Minnesota semenyate nintutwale ngorobo mweli no swati minto isia karaje nyagitari lakini mbona alengerende paka agatimuka igona batu arobo gimabwa muna boko gendera paka agaikaiga Omogaka tata igato begete buya igato ete principle chinyinge chobugima na chichikogera bono konyoranga no na stogota sense iwatole ego face challenges na abo musongo na abaki lakini asengeje dobwa principle jicho Omogaka chingiya iyo konyoranga na boto konyale binte binge Igo tindi go genda mange nje onda atebe nga egento torakole muna abana bo Omogaka no go continue a legacy aye obuya buli bwaya alenge gokora tobogendererie egere torore reflection yo Omogaka Nyairo muna alenge. He was a very unique mse, a very special mse. Muna itu abana baye muna nje nalenga age na inu muroma ne na ina bwata masikani asende mama nene na abana bonsi igo twalenge go share bintu ebinge igo lende igo ngo teba ngambi yamono asogo tega kwanekia enyangie ya yo moerio iga njita abana bonsi na abana ba mintu bonsi mbi yamono asega asimu akora mu alenge gaiga na mu alenge ngumbu igo ngene ngambi yamono na ende yaga tebide ngabantu mwanywa amacha amange na raya yande mu airu aye mokonywa igo mbi yamono asogo cha asogo antani mu orokia no baremereria biyamono sana.
Thank you so much.
Igente kenene kero twabera na tato minto twabera na ere kabisa baka kalima mkabara pake namba yo mwelio ekera gusieka maiso ikina boki alenge gento byo gukumia ente ke mogyo gukumi ki abete nkelinga amatuko botuko bolia boli bwa Wednesday asirete iga chenchetie akaboeka na basibati ba mwabo akeni kya bona alelige karorekana yankonege karorekana ikia penina gikarorekana gia gisale gikarorekana gia nyabeli gikarorekana ikio Omwena gikarorekana inkamana gokuminge kinege kone ngachaka koiguswa lakini Nyasaye agateba nje Nyasaye abuna abantu baye alengereretio igento tata nsometi bintu mingi timbu atichinsa nda berese bien spi lakini gansometi ngato basigutwara madeni to basigutwara amadeni litukeli manyagitali ekero bale ko musibia bakamusibibuya bakamwaliberera akababoli ni mbwata besa ya inanda bakamukania ya Omogaka timukabia chinasi chialenge nyagitali gale ko chitabinga indigo mura abaisika wabo kumia mukalgora kanubia igo mukali abaya lakini nana obolinga mubwate chisemi chisa ino mokondwali gose mogonguna Nyairo tato minto amangana na mange gamba somere korwen koro yane una nyinyolete tato minto Nyairo. I remember tato minto Nyairo with memories and love as the greatest dad and friend, husband, Sokoro, and much more. A teacher, of course. A love that shall be without end. Your courageous battle with cancer was conducted with dignity and grace. Like the life you lived, so fearless and brave. You confronted the journey you faced with a daily smile. Your days were filled with activity and fun. Tata smiled even when he was in pain. Aligoseka no enekera aliko igubororo. Tata getoro kinga na iwete bororo. An explorer in body and mind. Tato minto Nyairo, you are truly one of a kind. A seeker of knowledge with a thirst for life, to experience, learn and discover, will be treasured like no other. Your interests were spread far and wide, like the big waters you loved so much and crossed severally, as you soaked up life's wonders with pride. You loved people on equal terms, your quest for knowledge never through a listening ear, which was always fine-tuned. Though your journey on earth may be conquered, your traveler spirit still prevails on your passage to celestial glory. Your memory will always be treasured, even though we are now separate. A piece of your adventure remains with us all, and your life's party celebrated. Tato minto Nyairo. You wanted to be remembered as a man? No, a teacher who read many books. A man of God who reads the Bible daily and goes to church without fail. You gave me the Bible and you said, Joyce, anya watakete kokole biashara na bora akole. Lakini nchendo temere mora akole no yokorandie nchiri. Na botu ensura randie nchiri ekia talichi pasta choka togo tigere gasi. Twensi na bato korandie nchiri ekiagera eine commission tua etwe torandie nchiri egere Yesu atiche kakia tutinya mariga tomenye igoro kale na kale. Tato minto Nyairo, I love you and I hear you saying So do I. Echo. 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 Tata. Ura Revia. Joyce Wali Nyairo, the international lady of the whole world.
Thank you so much.
Umwanti, gentlemen, Mr. Nyairo. Wonko baira niringa mbiamono, asenge njo, yo bwanjani. Bwanya sai, mwantire iga, utubwatisia, amatanga, Omogaka ono mwanjwa. Ongo tebanga, Omogaka ono Nyairo. Njeri tanga ni ga anyanchete mono. Okorigereria okondendera abana abana inche amobogima bwane iga anyanchete konyororokereria munambwenerete komenya nero ogerete ikimoro chende iga nero orengo murayone naende nabo namoigwerete naende nabo anyanchete chingaki chionsi iga arenge goika muna bono rero mutienyoera ondeterere esen ne yekeusi nero gore yegesongo nonya nekero nare nakuru iga ari kondetera esen yegeswaeri nero gora yegesongo naye kera arenga iga chingaki chionsi iga ari gosaba ogoteba abantu bonsi tobeke chianga chindabu toake chinkobi totogi Nyasaye ekiagera nero omurindi oito omonene naende gare goteba chingaki chionsi omonto nsigete gosenyirogete Nyasaye na serikali igo ngoteba Omogaka one Nyairo nero ogerete nkagenda kumanya Canada nkamanya na America obeiro kondenda ase oborendi oboro obwengencho amo na abana bane amo na abamate baito bamenyeta ekiagera igare konyorokereria munambwenerete komenya igo akonyeta abana bane na nchaga nkonya
igo nanchige nasiri tata namanyire ase emiaka emenge buna turi abana togokina nindocho Omogaka tata nimwegerete naende ekero namwegera Omogaka tata nkamumanya mono chingencho chiaye Omogaka bweng'encho Omogaka bwebikoro Omogaka ase ekenyoru giaito bwanchete chisemi Omogaka buna twara osomirie abana buya mono komuranche nkorengikero oyo omochaga rero osomire gento gete ng'a amasomo ne gento kieng'encho naende twensi twegeire ng'a abaibori abana tura lazima tokora omokia totakwebeka buna twarorire Omogaka tata mokabikire family yaye kiomaerio endugu Kennedy Nyairo mwarora ng'a etaya teiya etaya nera netaya ete korima endugu yane njama chikogamba atachi tikokora iganga none nere terago togotire bono macho bago ikemiaka egeteke ngoja gutwara rio katinda ne chigo kerwa segete osebono na abanyari bali mbaro chenko nyakurigerere bale Nyairo ndugu yangu Kenneth na abachi kurunde chumbara bale sap lakini asenge nju ya maskani y'Omogaka na chaga nkwaga jaturi birasi bibere kiagera eskuru yeito yengorwa primary professor nabokoranga nete neine ali asogwa tigerete na inje mbwaterete kuruo ange kiagera Omogaka na tokorere gashingia na bai birasi bibere asenge nju ya maskani y'Omogaka oyo na inje abanyari bali mbangete chinguru nkeigo gakimongete chinguru chirimongete sagutumia mbobe insago tebanga ninche ngagache birasi binde bibere naende bikoro kunyaire bingocha kuagacha bibe bine abanyari bali mwanchire ninche mente naende birasi bibere asenge nju ya masikani y'Omogaka Nyairo bibe bine kumuranche abantu bamintu banyari bali ntu bakorere gashingia
onya muntu naro mutangani omanyete gento gekoroka French yani bali kero tuteberete gesongo ere monsieur bonjour yani esa komonyora ne bitabu yoka na ukwana nga bonjour ukuminga na ending kieke igo akareta awareness yeke French kumbe ekero twakinire bono togotara chinse ndi cha Africa chinde echire French speaking koko genda aroro yokonyora bokongumuro igo oyino mwaka bwa masikani na anenkora ngibirero byaye bigwete ko bya masikani mono ogerire twatwarire engencenkiya mabono mna motorete nsaiga ubuna bubwari bwaitu muntu takobora bwari obo no botoeru buno obo mubwate na buno muchumbe macho gwakwana mna bwo botoeru mugwante gotwara abanyari bari aba nabagusi aba mochiko tarere binto binde birabaire roche birababeke kona bwatie binto bikwaga chemechie. If you look at that family, it's a well-organized family. Bono nenda arike susuto kachiko ngengiti asoire karonga ime ariange ne sekta ngato chiko nyirubura umaito bwana buna bole ukareto mote ngabona tiato nyi koregentuki enye tongo yo chimbe njenana korora engiti eka chekemino ra kurumaria ega soe shati maiga bone gente kiantu asokote tu bate suruali kega soko nane kairo narari ngoro ime omogusi atanga kino biro kakentoki bindo ja kor na biebio obare mobuo na po bwagera twens twacha no motere ri oboiga
Matoboke, tokwana nie.